Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and I do nail videos. Today I have another haul for you. This one is from Sparkle & Company and it includes both an order that I put in for some gels and some dips, and also the dip bag that they had available for April Fool's Day, which it was a real bag that was for sale. It wasn't a joke. So they're both in this bag since I ordered them together to save on shipping. So I will try and separate out as best as I can the two different orders, just so you know what was included in the dip bag and what was in my other order. So as you can see, this is a very, very thick bag full of all kinds of stuff. I don't think they could have put anything else in that bag. Fortunately, everything is always well wrapped with them, so never a problem for me with either leakage or breakage. So I got a note from them since this was included a regular order, and a card, and also an instruction on how to apply the gel polish, since I purchased gel polish with my regular order. Now, if you would like to save some money and you haven't ordered from Sparkle & Company yet, I will put in the description a link to their website. If you use my code Stacy Ash in the comments of your order, if this is your very first order, you will receive a $8 credit. And if you've not subscribed to the dip bags before, and this is your first subscription to the bag, and you use my code Stacy Ash, STACYASH, in the comments, you will receive an $18 credit. So let me try and sort all of these bags out, and then I'll be right back. All right, I believe this is what was part of the dip bag. So let's go through a couple of things here. So she always puts in some fun items. So this is one of them. This is a clip you put on your plate, and then you can put your dip, your real food dip, not your dip, nails dip, in there to eat. And then this fun bag. And in here are some, oops, sorry, smashed in the bag a little bit. These are like, you find them at restaurants, the ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise kind of containers. But you could actually use these to pour your dip in when you're doing your nails to kind of capture the extra so you can throw them back in the jar. So let's go ahead and I'm going to open this bag first. That's usually what I do. So in here we have a card. And the card will tell you about what's all in the dip bag. So I got the I Want It All, the highest bag that you can actually get. It's not, I'll have to look it up to see which it is, but it's the highest bag that you can get. So we got a really cute avocado sticker. They always come with stickers. And confetti. And they come with cutouts. So ketchup, cute avocado, a chip. I think that's what's in there. And we got a lip gloss. So it has a cute little sticker on it. It's honey, looks like. I don't think I have any of their lip glosses, so this will be a first for me. So there, it says Sparkle & Co. I don't know if you can see it. it actually has safety tape around it, so I'll take that off. It's a pretty good size bottle. It's very thick. And there's the gloss. Oh, it smells just like honey. I'll put some on. Tastes good too. So there's that. We always receive, at least in the packages that I usually get the I Want It All dip and gel version, which is the original I Want It All original. But this time I got the highest bag so that I would get 1 ounce dips instead of the mini dips. I've been debating on whether I switch to that permanently or not, so I thought this was a good opportunity to test out that larger size. Wow, that's really stuck in there. And somewhere in amongst all this stuff, there is a swatch for this. So this is called Hot and Saucy, and it's a regular polish. And that's what it looks like. So a really good red. So next up in the goodie bag, I believe this is the hand scrub. Just get my scissors out because I have a tough time with bubble wrap. So yes, this is also honey, and it is a hand scrub. Just want to open it and see what it smells like. It smells just like honey. So I'm excited to use that. I don't think I've had any of their hand scrubs either. Next up we have the dips, and it looks like the swatches are in there too. So first up, if you watched their Instagram or their TikTok, they had an invisible dip on there for April Fool's Day, and I didn't realize they were actually going to give it to us. So it's just an empty jar with the tag on it that says invisible dip. That's super cute. So here's that swatch for the gel or the regular polish. That was this one. That's a really nice color. All right, on to the dips. So like I said, mine were 1 ounce dips because I got the largest package I could get, or the largest subscription. So this one's called Let's Catch Up. I wish she would have numbered these. I put these in a database, an Airtable database, and sometimes it's a little confusing if they don't have a number. That's what it looks like. And the swatch, these all came with swatches. This is what the swatch looks like. Next up, we have Guac is Extra. Next, we have Honey Past the Mustard. It really does look like mustard. And the swatch for that one . and Barbecue. Love their names. So this is another red. And here is the Swatch. It's a dark red. And lastly is the ranch dip. Now, this one was part of, I believe, the I Want It All. So if you didn't get the I Want It All, you did not get this ranch dip one. It, of course, needs stirred. This is the first time I'm opening it. And the swatch looks like this. That's a pretty neat white with, I don't know if that's black or just like a smoky gray. Almost looks like it has a little bit of a green look to it. So that is all of the dips. Next are the gels. Then they come with swatches too. So first up is Hummus is Yummus. And that's what it looks like. These do have swatch, come with the swatches on the top. I really like that. And the swatch. Next up is Just in Queso. And that one looks like that. It really does look like queso or nacho sauce. There's the swatch on the cap and the swatch. And then finally is salsa to my chips. Which looks like this. And there's the cap swatch. And the regular swatch. So it's got some glitters and chunkies in it. Looks like salsa. So that's everything we got in the dip bag. It was a super fun April Fool's Day dip bag. So it was only available one day only. I'm going to cut the video here. I had originally said I was going to go ahead and show you the other order too, but I don't want to make this video too long. So stay tuned. I'll be publishing that video too. So if you like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. Also, I will link in the description my Instagram and TikTok handle so you can follow me there too. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.